Hello and welcome to my studio journal. Now back in 2022, I started to redesign my home studio, shifting from software to hardware for the first time. What began as a few videos for some curious students soon became an ongoing unfiltered record. Again, I'm not going to use a mic or anything like that, just because this is just a small thing that came for my studio today, because I need to be able to do things on the computer, and the mouse, well, it has seen its last days. It's not working anymore. So this is the new mouse that I bought. It's a Kensington. And what we're going to do is we're just going to open it up in the back. I didn't think it was going to come like that. I thought it might be in a different sort of package. We'll see how this works. So we'll flip this open and we'll pull this out right here. So this is supposedly it. This is supposedly the trackball. We'll see how it works. Scroll ring and everything like this, 2 buttons. It looks like it has, oh, let's see here. So I'm gonna put this down here. And then it looks like it comes with the 2 batteries. Maybe put that away there. So it comes with the 2 batteries. This looks like, it's kind of like an armrest that goes onto it. It seems like it goes back like that sort of deal. Not sure if I'll use that, but it's there. So, let's see here. I think that's how it, goes. It just literally just sits in there like that. Interesting. And then here is the, I guess, the instructions for it. But right now, the mouse that I have doesn't work. I'm not able to scroll and get to student files, any of the music stuff I'm doing and all that. So anyhow, we'll see how this all goes together and up and running. It's a Bluetooth USB wireless, which means that there it is right there. This will be the little transmitter for that in there. So anyhow, this is what this thing is all about. So I'm going to pack it up and set it up and see if it works. Hopefully it does. I don't think I've left anything else there. No. Okay, hopefully it does, and that's it for this. I'm not going to go through setting it up and showing how it's set up and all that, because this isn't really about this particular mouse. It's just showing the sort of stuff I use in my studio. When I go to actually do a video of how I set up everything, maybe I'll do that. Anyhow, until next time, thanks for watching. If you'd like to follow the full journey, check out my online studio journal linked in the description. Until next time, I'm just a music teacher having fun. Catch you on the next one.